Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to install a CS111073, which is cowl seal for 73 to 80 full-size GM trucks. You can buy it individually or it's included with our complete weather strip kits for these vehicles. Today I'm going to be putting on our 2017 SEMA build, which is a 1976 K5 Blazer. First, let me show you how to remove the old part. In order to remove the cowl weather strip here, you just need to come by with a clip removal tool. Simply pry up on these clips. Now I got them all loose. Let's pull this one out and get ready to install the new one. The correct orientation of the seal is this opening goes toward the windshield. Now these are simple push pins, so hold your thumb behind them, put them in the hole, and then push down. Now the last one in, you're done.